Taurus, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your mid-monthly readings for the month of September. And of course, this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Please check your placements before watching the readings, and also the roles might get reversed, so take how it resonates with you. Also, I've been away for a long time now. I'm very sorry for that. I'll be regular from now on. So, let's begin and see what is there for you, Taurus, for the month of September in your love life. What's coming towards you in your love life, Taurus? What's coming towards you in your love life, Taurus? Let's see. Let's quickly check what's coming towards you in a love life, Taurus. What's coming towards you in a love life? What's coming towards you in a love life, Taurus? What's coming towards you in your love life, Taurus? What's coming towards you in your love for the month of September, from 15th of September till the 30th of September? Okay, so here we are. We have harmony, we have rebel, and we have mind. So somebody, I think, if I take this okay, take how it resonates with you. It might be your energy or your partner's energy. So you are a lot confused in your mind right now, or your partner is, whether to come forward, whether to break from the shackles that have been holding your partner, or whether to not to come forward basically. And desirous is of harmony in this dynamic, in this connection. You both want that dream relationship, you both miss each other, and you want that happy ending, that kind of good relationship that you once shared. So you both want a dream relationship, but no one is taking action. I see the rebel here is coming towards you, but at the same time overthinking the situation in their mind, that are they doing the right thing or not. So this is there. Okay, let's see what is the rebel card here for. What is the rebel card here for? What is the rebel card here for? Universe, please tell me what is the rebel card here for. What is the rebel card here for? What is the rebel card here for? Okay. Rebel is someone who wants justice in the situation, someone who feels left out in the cold and has been spying like a hawk since a long time now. So someone has been watching you, and or someone has been keeping tabs on you and feeling left out in the cold, and they want a justice in the situation. Okay, they want a justice in the situation. Okay, so this is the thing, and for that they are ready to take a step forward. Depression, disappointment, and all that is there. So here in this card, if you see, this person is not seeing the two cups that are behind him. So two cups will give you that partnership, that relationship that you require, but he is only looking at the spilt milk. So he is not focusing on the positive right now. So let's see what is the mind conflict or the confusion here about, overthinking here about. Let's see, why is it there? Why is this there? Why is this there? Why is this there? Why is the mind here? Okay. And rebel is a leader. Of course, he can charge and he can lead the situation. Okay, so here you have the mind that is confused. Like I just told you, it is very confused. It's looking for clarity, though it has all the tools it needs to manifest the situation and bring the positive outcome into light. The sun is also there, so you can see that this is a very happy outcome that can be achieved out of the situation, but still there is some overthinking, confusion, as if this will work out or not. Considering the past situations, I believe there is a little doubt that the person has, and still strength is being exercised. They're trying to have that courage to take that leap of faith, to come forward, basically breaking the chains he or she has been tied into. Okay, Now let's see what is the harmony that is expected in the situation. What is the harmony that is expected in the situation? Though we are aware that of course it's the harmony of the connection, but let's still be more clear on this. So we have the Page of Wands, the Page of Cups. Oh my god, two people are there. So it is possible that the harmony is like the person wants to offer some message, some communication, and also at the same time a fresh start of a small magnitude, like they are trying to come forward in a friendly manner. Okay, they're trying to avoid the conflicts. Okay, that is, you might have had conflicts in the past, you might have had arguments in the past, so they're trying to avoid that and coming as a page with a small token of hi, hey, how are you, how are you doing. They want to avoid the serious conversation at this time. They want to just give it a start as a friendship for now, and they want to just see how things proceed. So they have that passion for you. They want to come forward with a small message, a small token of something, a small token of emotion that they have for you. So they will come forward to you like that, and this person has been thinking about the situation since a long time now as to how to come forward, what to do and what not to do. They have been in this hermit phase since a long time now, and they are thinking through like how to resolve the situation. I mean, they are trying to figure out if this is even worth the take or not. That is also there. Okay, so this is what you have coming towards you, Taurus. So there is a possibility of someone reaching out to you, and someone might started off small, like they won't indulge into serious conversations just yet. It is a very initial, just to test the waters, I might say. 1, 2, 3, cut. Okay, so that is the thing. They are coming forward just to test the waters as of now. They're confused in their mind about certain things, so they want clarity if you both are on the same page or not. Okay, now let's see what is in store for you in career, Taurus, for the month of September, mid-month, starting from 15th of September till the 30th of September. What is in store for you in your career, Taurus? Let's see what is in store for you in your career. What is in store for you in your career, Taurus? What is in store for you in your career? What is in store for you in your career for this mid-month? Okay, so you have been facing some sort of burden till now about your career situation. You were not sure about how to take things forward or something, but as I can see now, you can see the positivity in the situation, and you are open to receiving all the opportunities around you that entail the good things, and you see abundance in all of them. There is a high probability of a long term stability in all that. So burden was regarding this fallout, something like came tumbling down. Maybe you had a lot of losses in your career, maybe you had a lot of switching or a lot of job changes, a lot of job, I mean you were laid off or something like that has happened to you, but now there is light at the end of the tunnel that I can see. Okay, so this is good news. So what was the burden? Let's clarify it further. What was the burden about? Let's clarify this further. What was the burden about? What was the burden about? Let's clarify this further. Okay, so the burden was something to do with your personal life, maybe, and also maybe it was related to your professional life, where you had too many things on the same plate, you conflicted how to go about certain things and what to cut off from your life. Okay, or it might also be related to your personal life where you feel that the things ended, somebody cut off someone from their life. Okay, and you were not sure of how to come across that happy energy, that is content energy. You were lacking that contentment, how to come across that contentment energy. You were not able to figure that out. Okay, what to cut off, what not to cut off from your life, and how to reduce the burden of what you were feeling within. Was an internal turmoil. See, there is a left out feeling also, so it might be to do with your personal life, or else it might be to do with your professional life, where you felt that you were getting rejected, or you got you got cornered in certain situations, and some people tried to uh, you know you corner you some way or some form. Maybe that is a possibility, or your boss was very strict and there was a lot of conflicting situation. You were not content in that situation, so that's the burden that I can see. Now let's see what is the receptivity. What are you open to receiving now? Let's see. It's all thing positive. Of course, you will not be open to receive anything negative, that is for sure. But let's see. Let's dig into it. Let's see what is Taurus open to receiving now. Universe, please tell me what is Taurus open to receiving now. Okay, so you are open to receiving some sort of wish fulfillment. You have been trying to manifest certain things, you have been trying to heal from certain things which has been affecting your personal professional life in some shape or form. It has to do with your personal life for sure, because again the left out feeling is here. So you are feeling left out in the cold, okay, due to some personal issues with someone or some connection. You are trying to heal from the situation, you are trying to rest at the most, so that you can welcome all the positive opportunities that are awaiting you now. Very good feeling, and very you justice will be served in the situation. You will get what you want, you will get the results of your good karma. Very nice. And now we are the world here, so we see what is the long term stature that is waiting for you. Let's see, Taurus, what is the long term thing that is waiting for you. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. So there is a lot of things. You are spoiled with options. You have a lot of dreams there in your eyes. You have a lot of wishes that you want to achieve. You have a lot of passion, you have a lot of materialistic things that you want to achieve for yourself, and everything will come to you at the right time. There is a long term probability for this, but you need not be confused about your goals. You should also stay focused, that is also there, and you will also achieve the happy outcome out of this. Whatever you've been dreaming of, whatever you've been planning for, whatever you've been manifesting will come to fruition. You will get all the materialistic things, you will also get all the luxuries of life, you will also get the long term stability in your relationship. That is also I am getting for some of you due to this 4 of Wands cards. So 4 of Wands usually talks about a long term stability in the relationship, as you know, commitment, marriage, all that stuff. And then you have this family domain also that is coming here. So there is everything, the abundance, huge abundance I can see, but a dreamy state, that you have a lot of wishes, you have lot of dreams in your eyes, but everything will come true in its proper course of time. Like I can see that everything is coming to you very fast energy, and things will work at their own divine timing. Very good energy, Taurus. Nothing that I can pinpoint on. And when you are coming out of that healing phase, you are healing quickly, you are healing well, to take and embrace those beautiful opportunities that lie ahead of you. Nice, amazing. Okay, cut, cut. Fine. Now we will quickly go about your guidance for the month. What is the overall guidance for Taurus for the month of September? Universe, please tell me the overall guidance for Taurus for the month of September. Taurus for the month of September. What is the overall guidance for Taurus for the month of September? What is the overall guidance for Taurus for the month of September? Let's see. Okay, so we have traveling. So you have a travel energy. You should take a break from all the work stress that you've been dealing with till now and go travel somewhere. A beautiful energy. You will feel refreshed. You will feel, you need to take it slow, take it one step at a time. Do not overburden yourself. Do not, you know, stress yourself out. If you've been feeling heavy due to any reason, due to your personal, professional, whatever situations, take a break, travel. This is the advice for you, and do not exhaust yourself with overthinking. Okay, so that was reading for you, Taurus. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.